Bredda! Bredda!
Then you don't call your brother sometime too. If it was me, you'd have said Likkle Bredda youth.
Bredda!
Come in, daddy!
Stop the coming and come, boy! Come in and call you!
No, sir, the you that they are calling you. And I'm me get all the work with you. Go over. You realize how the daddy them still? Yeah. How will I follow them still, sir? What is no? Bredda! That don't sound like daddy.
Bredda.
That don't sound like daddy.
Bredda.
Yeah, I sound like daddy.
Boy, you brush your teeth for morning?
I just wake up, daddy.
Boy, me never tell you say you must brush your teeth when you wake up. Go and brush your teeth.
You brush yours.
What you just say, boy?
Nothing, daddy. I never say anything, daddy. It's an episode of Likkle Wizzies, but...
Boy, what you doing?
I'm watching TV.
You can watch TV all day? You want it right down to your brain? Go and read your book or something. This episode is bad for real. Bredda!
Come in, daddy!
Stop the coming and come.
Yes, daddy.
Pass the remote.
Put the remote right here, so daddy.
Boy, back answer, you just back answer me. Pass the remote. Go in your room and read your book. Boy, where you going? You clean your shoes yet?
No, daddy.
Go and clean your shoes. Big man, clean shoes every day. Why you take so long to clean your shoes, boy? Clean mine too.
No, I feel me turn. Watch this now. Daddy, you can't let me look for me socks.
Look for which socks? You feel learn to put your things in place so you don't have to look for it in the morning. Where you daddy? Bredda!
Yes, daddy!
Come help me look for the car key.
And every morning he asks if you help him look for him car key.
Boy, you spread your bed from morning?
No, daddy.
What kind of man you going to be? Only workless man no spread them bed, you know?
Yo, in the top of walking, mommy, I tell you to spread your bed. You sound like daddy for real, yeah, man.
Bredda, come here. Why you leave the light on? Go and turn it off. I want to sleep now. And watch ya. Me left on the light. Bredda, come here.
Yes, daddy.
Turn off the light.
Yo, that one bad. But they want the shot. Yo, what is wrong with it?
Boy,
What is wrong with the one?
hey, don't back answer me. This is what is wrong with you now. Me know why you back answer me now, boy.
What for Bredda?
Hey, me say don't back answer me. You see what's wrong with you? Every time I talk to you, you try to back answer me.
What if daddy was in the room with you?
If daddy was in the room with me, boy, would I tell him to clean his shoes himself? You're too lazy. Go on for the remote yourself.
Yes, daddy. I didn't tell you.
What are you talking?
No, daddy. But I say I'm in love with daddy. I would have cleaned the shoes and spread them.
This is Likkle Bredda from Likkle Wizzies. Thank you for all the support you have given us over the months we have uploaded our comedy videos. Melu, Radsta Chadsta, Big Up Yourself, Up Top Mendes, and all the Fortnite squad players. Impersonator, Radsta Chadsta, and Kanye. Hey guys, Big Up Bredda from Likkle Wizzies. I just want to shout out some people. Fortnite squad, Shikar, Kamari, Radsta Chadsta. Big Up Orion, Fry Irish and Ryan Comedy. At the end of the video, we're going to have like a shout out section from now on. Choosing comments to put in the last part of the video. Remember now, subscribe, and also remember, like the video and turn on notifications. Bless. One love.